how to remove Yahoo Search from Microsoft Edge. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft Edge and then uh, on your home page, you will see three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you'll find settings. Head over to your settings, and then on the left hand side, go to privacy, search, and services. So, here you'll be able to find search and connected experiences on the bottom. Tap on it and then tap on address bar and search. Now, if Yahoo is set to default, then tap on the drop down and you can either change it to Bing or Google. Just tap on it and that's it. This is how you remove Yahoo and add another website as default. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.